How to add or remove Dropbox in the Navigation pane in Windows 10. If Dropbox is cluttering your file explorer, or if it's missing and you need quick access, this video is for you. We'll show you exactly how to add or remove Dropbox from the Navigation pane in Windows 10 using built-in tools, the registry editor, or third-party utilities. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. Adding Dropbox. Let's start with adding Dropbox. First, make sure Dropbox is installed and running properly. Press Windows+S, type Dropbox, and open it. If you don't have it installed, head over to dropbox.com/install, download the installer, and follow the setup instructions. Once installed, restart File Explorer. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Right-click on Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Now open File Explorer and check the sidebar. Dropbox should appear in the Navigation pane. Removing Dropbox. Now let's walk through how to remove Dropbox from the Navigation pane. Method 1. Uninstall Dropbox. Uninstalling Dropbox will automatically remove it from File Explorer. Press Windows+I, go to Apps, Apps and Features, scroll to Dropbox, and click Uninstall, and follow the prompts to complete the process. Restart your PC to apply changes. Method 2. Remove via the registry editor. Warning: modifying the registry can cause system issues. Be cautious and back up your registry first. Press Windows+R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to, right-click the key and select Delete. Then restart File Explorer as you did before through Task Manager. Alternative option: using third-party tools. For a safer, easier route, consider third-party tools like Shell Menu View or CCleaner. These programs let you customize File Explorer without manually editing the registry. Troubleshooting tips. If Dropbox still appears after removal, restart your computer. If Dropbox doesn't show up after adding it, restart File Explorer or make sure the Dropbox app is up to date. For more information, check out our official blog post on managing Dropbox in File Explorer, linked in the description below.